Welcome to Bahria College's PNET. This is online lecture number 4 of subject computer for the students of class 9 Federal Board. Chapter number 1 Fundamentals of Computer. Topic Computer Hardware. Session 2020 to 2021. I am Miss Harish Kabir. Let's start today's class. In learning objective, at the end of the lesson, student will be able to learn about computer devices that operate the structure of computer. In contents, we will discover hardware components of computer, input devices, system unit, storage devices, and output devices. Let's start with hardware components of computer. Computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. Hardware components of a computer system are classified into input devices, system units, storage devices, output devices, and memory. Input devices. All devices used to feed data into the computer are known as input devices. These devices allow us to communicate with the computer. Commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, and touch screen. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and special symbols into a computer. Mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons called clicking. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device with a vertical lever mounted on a base. The lever usually includes buttons called triggers. Joystick is mainly used for computer games. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. When a document is scanned, it is converted into a digital format. These images can be edited, displayed on the screen, or inserted in documents. Many scanners also include OCR, which means Optical Character Recognition Software. This OCR software can convert an image of text into a text file that can be edited. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device that reads the barcode on products that represent product code, description, and price. This information is used by the computer to print bill for the customer. Digital camera. Digital camera is used to capture pictures and store them in digital form. These pictures can be downloaded to computer for editing, viewing, or inserting in documents. Touch screen. A touch screen is a pressure-sensitive display screen that is used to interact with computer. More commonly used with mobile phone and tablets. Touchpad. A touchpad is an input device on laptops and some keyboards to move a cursor with finger. As user moves finger on the surface, the mouse cursor moves in that same direction. System unit. System unit is the main part of the computer. It includes motherboard, power supply and drives such as DVD and hard disk inside the computer casing. All the input and output devices of a computer are connected to system unit through port. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board inside the system unit. It contains microprocessor, main memory, expansion card, IC chips. IC stands for integrated circuits, connectors and electronic components. Motherboard consists of buses, also called electric pathways, that are printed on motherboard. These buses are used to transmit information between various components of the computer. All input and output devices are connected to motherboard. Microprocessor. A microprocessor controls all the activities of the computer. Microprocessor contain CU, that is control unit, ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, and registers. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit performs all the calculations and comparison. Arithmetic unit perform calculations related to arithmetic like addition and subtraction. And logic unit perform calculations of comparison, that is calculation of greater than, less than, greater than, equal to or less than equal to. Control unit. Control unit controls operations of all components of computer. Control unit controls working of all input and output devices, storage devices, arithmetic and logic unit. How control unit works? Control unit loads programs into memory and executes them. Control unit consists of very complicated circuits. Registers. Registers are very small temporary memory unit inside the microprocessor. Registers store information during program execution. Commonly used registers are instruction register, accumulator register, data register, and memory address register. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store programs and data that are not currently used by the computer. They have huge storage capacity, therefore they are also known as mass storage devices or secondary memory. Hard disk. A hard disk is a magnetic storage device used to store data. Hard disk has storage capacity of hundreds of gigabytes. Hard disk is fixed inside the computer. Now, in market, portable hard disks are also available, like I have shown you in these two pictures. Compact disc. A compact disc or CD is a portable optical storage device with a capacity of 700 megabytes. It is used to read data from or write to a CD. Digital versatile disc, that is DVD. A DVD have same features like of CD but have more storage capacity in range of 4 to 16 gigabytes. DVD writer is installed in the computer to read data from or write data to a DVD. Memory card. A memory card is a small storage device having storage capacity of few gigabytes. Memory cards are generally used in laptop computers and portable devices such as mobile phone and digital camera for storing pictures, audios and videos. USB flash drive. USB flash drive is a small portable drive that is connected to computer through USB port. USB drive has storage capacity is up to 128 GB till now. Output devices. Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor or to print information on paper. Monitor. A monitor is a screen on which information is displayed. It has two common types. Number one is CRT, that is cathode ray tube monitor, similar to old television. These monitors are big in size and have low display quality. LCD, that is liquid crystal display. These monitors are slim in size, uses less power and has better display quality than CRT monitor. Printer. Printer is a device that prints text and graphics on paper, known as hard copy. There are two types of printers, which are impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer is electromechanical mechanism which causes the character shape to strike against the paper and leave an image of the character on the paper. The example of impact printer is dot matrix printer. The speed of impact printers is from 50 to 500 characters per second. These printers are cheap but low quality printer. Non-impact printer prints without striking the paper. The examples of non-impact printers are inkjet and laser printer. Plotter. Plotter is used for the printing of engineering design, machine parts, building design, charts and panaflexes on large papers and sheets. Plotter is more expensive than printer. Ink plotter and pen plotter are two types of plotter. Ink plotter is used for printing images and pen plotter is used for printing engineering drawing, machine parts, building design, etc. Plotters have slow output device but printing quality is very good. Speaker. Speakers are used to produce audio output. Speakers are commonly used with multimedia software and for playing music. Dear students, in this topic, you have to solve this worksheet number 4. In exercise A, do complete following table for output devices and input devices. On the left side, I have given you some input and output devices and you have to write the configuration of them. In exercise B, choose the correct answer. Number 1, dash is used for combination of hardware units. Number 2, system unit controls contain dash. Number 3, dash connects the components of motherboard, also used to carry dash between various components. Number 4, dash controls all internal and external activities of computer. Number 5, dash perform also logical function with arithmetic. Number 6, logical operations are performed by dash of numbers. Number 7, dash is also called the boss of CPU that loads programs for execution from memory. Number 8, dash stores data temporarily during program execution and release it when new programs come. Number 9, data dash is currently not in use in computer will be stored at dash. Number 10. USB's maximum storage capacity is dash. Dear student, you will find all the answers of these blanks from the book easily. In home task, this question is from your exercise, that is question number 5. What will happen if storage devices are removed from our computer? Thank you for your attention in this class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.